Dear students, in this video I explain Lagrange interpolation formula and Lagrange inverse interpolation formula. So here we discussed totally three interpolation formula. One is Newton forward interpolation formula, and another one is Newton backward interpolation formula and Newton general interpolation formula. So the Lagrange interpolation formula is also the same concept. Using this interpolation formula, we have to find y value corresponding x value of the given data. So here, for example, here we consider a given function of unknown value of an unknown function. Value of an unknown function is in the form of y is equal to f of x. Here x naught, x1, x2, x3 dash 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 xn corresponding y value y naught, y1, y2, y3 dash 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 yn. So here we are using Lagrange interpolation. Using Lagrange interpolation formula, we have to find the y value corresponding x value. Okay, now so here Lagrange Lagrange interpolation formula state that y of x it is equal to. It is a very simple. First here the first term. Here x is subtract with x1, x2, x3 up to xn except first term, that is x minus x1, x minus x2 dash 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 x minus xn divided by in the numerator we say skip x naught now. So in denominator subtract the remaining value, subtract with x naught, that is x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2 dash 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 x naught minus xn into corresponding y value, that is y naught. So simplify, here we get one term plus next come to second term. In second term, first neglect first term, the remaining value subtract with x, that is x minus x naught, x minus x2 dash 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 x minus xn divided by, in numerator we shall skip x1 now. So in the remaining terms subtract with x1, that is x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2 dash 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 x1 minus xn into y1. Come to third term, that is in third term neglect x2 value, that is x minus x naught, x minus x1 into x minus x3 dash 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 x minus xn divided by, in numerator we skip x2. So x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 dash 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 x2 minus xn into y2. This continues up to nth term. Nth term become xn x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 dash 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 x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x naught into xn minus x1, xn minus x2 dash 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 xn minus xn minus 1 into yn. And in Lagrange reverse process, in Lagrange inverse interpolation formula. Inverse interpolation formula means it is a reverse process. Interpolation formula means here y value is given, we have to find corresponding x value, that is x is equal to x of y. Here we have to find x of y value. The given data is in the form of x, x naught, x1, x2 dash 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 xn corresponding y value y naught, y1, y2 dash 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 yn. So Lagrange inverse interpolation formula state that x of y, which is equal to y minus y naught, y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y3 dash 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 y minus yn divided by, here also in numerators we skip y naught now, so subtract with y naught, that is y naught minus y1, y naught minus y2, y naught minus y3 dash 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 y naught minus yn into corresponding x value x naught. Simplify, we get one term, that is plus. Come to second term. In second term neglect y1, that is y minus y naught, y minus y2, y minus y3 dash 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 y minus yn divided by y1 minus y naught, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3 dash 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 yn1 minus yn into x1. This is the second term. Third term. In third term neglect y2 in numerator, that is y minus y naught, y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y naught, y2 no, sorry, y3 dash 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 y minus yn divided by y2 minus y naught, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y2, y3 dash 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 y2 minus y1 into x2. It is goes on continue up to nth term is y minus y naught, y minus y1, y minus y2 dash 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 y minus yn divided by yn minus 1, sorry, this one, divided by yn minus 1, yn minus y naught, yn minus y1, yn minus y2 dash 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 yn minus 1 into corresponding x value. This is the Lagrange inverse interpolation formula.